Hi, Lucy. Are you doing anything special this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to the new shopping centre with my mum this afternoon.
I suggest you go by car. It's quite far out of town and difficult to get to by public transport. Parking's no problem. They've got loads of spaces.
Yes, so I hear. I'm so excited about going. So many shops in one place.
Yes, it's a huge place. Make sure you pick up a map as you go in. When I went last week, I kept going round in circles and couldn't find the way out. I can't say I enjoyed myself very much. I much prefer shopping in the town centre. That way, at least you can get some fresh air as you go from shop to shop.
But it's so much easier to find what you want in a big shopping centre. All the shops are close together.
I think that's dangerous. It's far too easy to spend too much. I think a lot of people go there and buy things they don't even need.
Did you go upstairs? I hear there's a whole floor of restaurants and cafes.
Yes, I did. I needed a rest after all that running around. The food is quite cheap there, but if you ask me, there's too much fast food.
Well, that's what people need, a quick snack.
True. My little brother enjoyed himself there. It's a good place for families as they have children's meals, high chairs and rides for little ones.
It's also a good place to meet your friends. After a bite to eat, you can go and see a film in the cinema complex or go bowling. Do you fancy coming with us?
Thanks for asking me. I have other plans for today. Another time maybe.